Happy Saturday, everybody. It's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Strategy Saturday, where I give you one practical tool to make this lifestyle easier. Today's strategy is how do you know if you're eating enough without logging every bite into an app? Let's be real, tracking macros can be very helpful at first, but long term, most of us don't want to live chained to a food diary. The good news is your body gives you signals if you know how to read them. Here's what to watch for. Number one, your satiety signals. If you're truly eating enough protein and fat, you should feel comfortably full for at least 4 to 5 hours between meals. If you're hungry an hour later, you probably skimped on protein or fat. Number two, energy check-in. Enough fuel equals steady energy. And if you're dragging mid-afternoon or reaching for endless coffee, that's your body saying, hey, I need more. Number three, recovery and strength. Are you sore for days after a workout? Losing strength or hair? That could be under eating protein. Aim for at least 30 grams per meal, more if you're larger or active. And number four, the craving test. When protein and fat are dialed in, cravings drop. If you're still fighting sugar urges constantly, it may not be a lack of willpower. You might just be underfueled. So here's the strategy I give my clients. Build every meal around protein first, then add fat until you're satisfied. Stop there. No need to measure every ounce. Just listen to satiety, energy, and recovery. A quick example, a client of mine was eating lean chicken salads all week, wondering why she was tired and snacking at night. We bumped up her protein, added real fat, avocados, she was keto, eggs, ribeye instead of chicken breast. Within a week, she told me, I finally feel full for the first time in years. So here's your Saturday strategy. Protein first, fat to satiety, and carbs minimal if you're keto. If you're carnivore, you can skip the carbs. Then listen to your body's feedback. If you're full for 4 to 5 hours, and your energy is steady, and your cravings are low, you nailed it. And if you need help dialing in macros, eBook Keto Made Simple lays it out step by step. Today's the last day to get my YouTube followers discount price. The link is below. So hit like if you're tired of counting calories, share this with a friend who needs freedom from food logging, and let me know in the comments, how do you know when you've eaten enough? I'll see you tomorrow for Self Talk Sunday.